Got our 1978 Sawyer canoe here that we are getting ready to refurbish. So a little change up in our color scheme. We went with the yellow and a green bottom. I know you're probably thinking, what the hell? The watermelon? That is not the case. We are going to go with the Croc skin. So what you're going to see on the bottom where the yellow is, you're going to really see the definition come through in these light spots. And then in the green area, you're going to see that transition come through. So we did a couple of little test plaques out here. I know it's hard to see. So that's yellow. This whole side really brings out the 3D. And then the green, it was even more because this was a lime green here, and the dark green really brought out a lot, really looked like Croc skin. So should be really cool when we're done. So here we've got the saturation coat down. So all we're trying to do is really just wet out the veil and get it to adhere and get everything to come through. You're really gonna see the detail pop on the second coat, and you can see that transition line on this. Looks really good. So the next ones, and the darker, the green, because it's all the lights up here, you really can't see that transition in that color, but it looks freaking wicked. And like I said, the second coat and the third coat, the second and the third coat, you really start to see the depth come out. Okay, the second coat has been applied. Really starting to see the detail come out. Alright, so we got all the gel coat added over top of the veil. We've sanded all the way from 220 to 600. So we went 220, 320, 600. And now we're just cleaning it off. And then once we get it all cleaned off, what we're going to do is we're going to tape off the bottom of the canoe. And we're going to pour a clear polyurea on the bottom just so it doesn't get scuffed up. So basically that's your bed liner material, only in clear. And then from there we will start to finish this canoe out, grind off the rest of the sides, cut that off, and this guy will be done.
Probably all the acid bubbling up.
Yeah. Starting to tape off the top or the bottom of the canoe so we can do the polyurea coating on the bottom.
The risk of a crash increases with every mile you drive over the speed limit. So slow down. Speed enforcement is happening now. A message from the Michigan Office of